guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Legend. Today in this video I'm gonna show you two ways of marinating chicken. One is green chili one and another one is red chili marination. Firstly I'm gonna take a jar and I'm gonna add nearly 5 to 6 green chilies. Later I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. And now adding coriander plus mint leaves and I'm gonna grind it till it turns very tiny fine powder. Later I'm gonna add this to my washed chicken. Now I'm gonna add nearly half spoon of pepper powder and required amount of salt. I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of salt. Later I'm gonna add 1 spoon of garam masala powder and nearly 2 spoons of corn flour and nearly 2 spoons of rice flour for crunchiness of my chicken. Now I'm gonna add nearly half lemon juice. Now I'm gonna mix it very well such that it should be fitted to all over my chicken. Now I'm gonna show you a second way, that is red chili marination. For that I have been taken washed chicken. Later I'm gonna add nearly 3 spoons of red chili powder. You can add according to your taste. If you require more spicy you can add more spoons of chili powder. Later I'm gonna add nearly 3 spoons of dhaniya powder. Now I'm gonna add nearly half spoons of pepper powder and add required amount of salt. I'm gonna add 1.5 spoon of salt. Guys, now add yogurt. I'm adding nearly 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Now I'm gonna add nearly 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of corn flour and bit food color to get my chicken vibrant and half lemon juice. Now I'm gonna mix it well. Once it is done, leave this green chili marinated and red chili marination for nearly 4 hours. Later, once it is done with 4 hours, I'm gonna heat my tawa with spreading with some food oil such that my chicken should not stick to my tawa. Later, I'm gonna add 2 marinated chicken, that is one is red chili one and another one is green chili one. I'm gonna add side by side. I'm gonna roast it by closing the lid. Once it is done, I'm gonna revert this. If you don't want this, you can use also with frying with oil such that it will require or it will absorb more oil but the taste will be good. Or another option is you can use the barbecue chicken with the skewers such that this chicken will absorb less oil and the taste will be also good. It left to you guys. And my chicken is ready now. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.